Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to copy your recovery phrase in Phantom Wallet. In order to do so, first off we have a Chrome browser open and I have the Phantom Wallet extension already installed. So we're going to go ahead and select the icon here at the top right hand corner. That's going to open up our Phantom Wallet. And what we're looking for is up at the top left hand corner, you'll see the icon here. We're going to go ahead and select that. That's going to open up this submenu. And then from there, we're going to select here the pencil icon that says Manage Accounts. We'll go ahead and select that there. And then from here, you should see all of your accounts listed. We're going to go ahead and select the account that we wish to view. And then from here, you will see that you have the option to show the secret phrase. So if you select that, then you're going to see here now that in order to view the secret phrase, you're going to have to enter in your password and you're going to have to click here. I will not share my secret phrase with anyone. And then you're going to click next. And then from there, you can copy the secret phrase. And just be aware, as it says here, you do not want to hand your secret phrase to anyone because that will give them full access to your wallet. And that is important to note. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.